Okay, today I am going to demonstrate the teardrop loop. It is a loop which is very commonly used and generally for all four extraction, where you don't need any intrusion and just bodily retraction of the anteriors. I have already taken a 1925 stainless steel arch wire and straightened the posterior segments, and they are in plane. And then the next step is to mark the points at which the teardrop is going to come. So the first thing is place it in the bracket slot. The midline should be coinciding, and then the teardrop should be 2 to 3 mm distal to the canine bracket. We can mark it 3 mm distal to the canine bracket. This is where the teardrop will come for the maximum anchorage case. The next step is the fabrication of the teardrop. First is the vertical bend. Make a vertical bend and make it slightly acute. All of you know the dimensions of the teardrop is 8 mm by 4 mm. Then you use a round beak of the lightweight plier to form a gentle curve. The general shape of the teardrop, and then you can close it so that both the arms are touching, and verify it in the template which we have here. Yes, so this matching the template. Then you can proceed by finishing the loop. Use the square beaks to get precise grip exactly, so that both the anterior and posterior legs are in the same height. Don't do a complete bend. Check whether you have given a correct bend and then complete it. Then you can try to close the teardrop. Check for the plane. Check for the arch form. And doing it for the ovoid shape. Yes. Now once you are satisfied, you can go to the other side. Redo the marking because it got erased. Again, that starts with the vertical bend. Make it acute. Make sure you don't torque the wire when you make the loops. Again, 8 mm height, start bringing the gentle curve without any sharp turns. Both the loops should be symmetric. Put it again in the grid. Make adjustments. Now finish the loop using the square leads. Bring it into arch form. Check it in the swing grid. When you place the arch form, the teardrop should not be tilting outside or inside, it should be vertical. Now I'll just do some minor modifications in the arch form. Make sure the legs are tightly closed. There should not be any gap between the legs before activation. Put it in the sim grid. It will be in plane. Now it is time for activation of teardrop. Normally for a group A anchorage it is 15 degrees for alpha and 25 degrees beta. Okay, so first you start with the beta always. Make sure both the sides are in plane, and then once you have confirmed that they are in plane, you can start with the alpha. Alpha is lesser, there is more tipping in the anteriors. So the total should be around 40 degrees, 40 to 45. This is the finished. Thank you.